is what is jewelry merchandising. So what a merchandiser basically do. So when we talk about jewelry merchandising or as a merchandising is a practicing process of displaying and selling your product to a customer. It can be B2B, it can be B2C, it can all kind of selling basically. Then we merchandising these days, it can be digital or in-store retail merchandising. Basically we are going to discuss all these areas. So then what are basically key skills if you want to become a merchandiser? Obviously as a merchandiser you are gonna be interacting to lots of different sectors, so you need to be really aware about the market, you need to be confident, you need to able to cope up with pressure, because if there is some uh, like you are working on some design project, then the production happens, then you have to send those pieces for the retail store. So all these things you have to do, you have to take care of all these areas. So that's why you need to be able to cope up with the pressure. Then teamwork is really important, communication skills, your interpersonal skills, your leadership skills, all these things are really important if you want to become a jewelry merchandiser. Typical responsibilities of a jewelry merchandiser is basically you're gonna work closely with the buyers and other merchandisers. You're gonna plan your product range. All these things comes under your job profile. Then meeting with suppliers, distributors, analysts, managing a budget. So all these things are handled by a merchandiser. Then predicting sales and profit, because as a merchandiser is the main person who is gonna be in touch with your design team, your production team, your marketing team, and your retail team. Okay, so that's why you need to have a good knowledge about sales and profits, because you are gonna deal with the retail people and your marketing people. So you have to take care of that. You need to know that what kind of pieces are being sold or in your stores, which are the best pieces, or so that according to that thing you can plan your next collection. Then you need to have a good negotiating quality and delivery time skills, because if you are outsourcing any products, because it's not like if you are working in a company, then obviously there are many pieces, many products that you have to outsource. Let's say you have your own manufacturing unit, but there you have to source the stones, you have to source the chains. So you need to have a good negotiating quality when you become a jewelry merchandiser. You are going to supervise and train your junior staff. Then managing level and distribution of stock, because let's say you have different uh, stores, and it's like if you are as a merchandiser, you need to have a good knowledge of marketing. What kind of products, let's say if we talk about Delhi, the stores in Delhi gonna have a different kind of stock than the kind of stock there is in Punjab or is in Hyderabad, because everywhere the consumer psychology change, the need of design change. So according to that you have to plan the stock for every store. Then you need to be able to handle supply production problem as they arise. Let's say there is a production which is going on, the design team have done their job, that they have designed a really nice collection, and next step is that collection has went for the production. While the production people are facing some issue with those products, so you need to have a good knowledge of manufacturing so that you can solve those issues which are arising in the production. Then setting stock promotion, price reduction as appropriate. Let's say there is a dead stock, like there are dead stock is basically some pieces which are not selling out in your store. So you need to decide that what you're basically planning. Maybe there is, let's say, some event is happening, or you are participating in some exhibition. So you need to plan what kind of promotions and how you're gonna display all those stuff, so that you don't keep that kind of dead stock, or you don't, or you are able to sell all your items or all your products. You have to make your financial presentation to your senior manager, because you are the one who's taking care of your design team. You are responsible to have a good interaction with the marketing people, with the retail. So you are the one who is going to give the presentation to your senior manager, that what kind of new collections you are planning to launch. So all these areas comes under you.